Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Google account permanently and very quickly just on your phone. Really easy to do, so whether you're on Android or iPhone, it's done the same way. So you just want to open up a web browser, and once you do that, you just want to search for Google account, open that up, and you just want to go over to your Google account website and just ensure that you're logged into the account that you want to permanently delete. Once you're logged into the account, you can just head over to data and personalization. And then once you're on there, you can just scroll down until you see the delete service or account option. So it's just under the download, delete, or make a plan for your data tab. So if you just go down there and then click on the delete a service or your account option, it'll bring this up here asking you if you want to delete a Google service, delete your Google account, or download your data. So if you want to delete your account, you would just click on the delete your account button. And then just to verify, it's going to ask you to put your password in one more time. So you can go ahead and do that there. And then you'll click next. And then this is just going to confirm that you want to delete all your stuff. It's just letting you know everything that you're deleting. So conversations, photos, YouTube channel, stuff like that. Everything that you have connected to your Google account will be deleted once you go through with this last button here. If this is all okay and you're good to go, you can just scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on yes, that I acknowledge I am still responsible, and yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account. And then you would just click on delete account at the bottom there. Now I'm not going to delete mine, but once you click on that blue button, that is the last time that you will have access to this account. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.